Ekta Hinduja, and thank you so much for tuning in for this video, and thank you so much for always giving your love and support. I am very humbled and I'm very thankful to you guys. As you all know, today's video is going to be about Shumi Toys. For those of you who are not aware of it, this is a brand of toys made in India, and they have toys which are of different categories for different types of kids and how they love and they enjoy playing it. Also, these are made in wooden format, and they are user friendly, child friendly, and they are very bright and colorful, and they are very fun to use as well. So there are different pros and cons that I would like to share my personal opinion when I bought it for my son. This is my honest review and how my son did enjoy and did not enjoy. So the first toy that I'm going to be taking you with me is a set. They are a set of 4, and they are very colorful, very playful, and I personally enjoy it myself.
As you can see, this beautiful display of bright and colorful desserts out here. They are in a magnetic format, and you can interchange the dollops from ice cream to the cupcakes and make a big one. It's amazing for a pretend play, and it's a very good quality toy. It does not get spoiled. The color is still intact, and I love it.
So the second toy that I'm going to take you is a very cute little yellow color duck. Yellow color being my son's favorite, so I had to get him this. Is this yellow color duck, which comes with different colors of triangles, and they have to shape it and put it in this the way they like it. Either they can put it in a color format, or they can just put it in a jumbled format, or they just want to make anything out of it, they can. But this is just that about the game, and there is nothing much more that you can do with this one. So if you have a little one, say in the age graph of 1.5 to 2 years, and they are just learning how to put these in a place, then this is a good one. So the third thing that I bought was this dinosaur. It is a very handy, very useful, and a very attractive dinosaur. It is colorful. So this is how the dinosaur looks like, and on the one side it's called numbers, as you can see, till number 26, and there are different colors. You can see blue, yellow, green, so on and so forth. Now the beauty about this is that it stands up like this, and which is amazing because it looks real, and it looks super cute, and it looks really nice when you can put it in their room as one of the showpiece toys. On the other hand, you will see that there are alphabets which says A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H until Z. So this is a very good way of teaching them the alphabets, the numbers, and this is how it is. Like, it gets detached. Since they are all puzzles, all the child has to do is just make them attach, and that's how it looks. That's the tail, the legs, and so I love this dinosaur because my son has been obsessing about them, and he's very interested in learning about dinosaurs. So this was a big hit with him. Also a big hit for me as well, because he got to learn about the alphabets and numbers, and with the help of that you can, you know, assemble the whole dinosaur together. Yay! Great way to introduce your children to numbers, to alphabets as well. For kids who are 3+, it's a very lovely gift for them, because they are very. This is a fourth that I was talking about. So this toy is something like this, wherein you can make a chair, you can make a robot, then you can make a pool table. These are the things that come inside this, and this is how it looks. So you can use your imagination and make whatever you like. Now talking about the pros, A, it is child friendly, B, it is made out of wood, 3, it's an Indian brand, and 4, they are very bright and colorful and very thoughtfully curated for the little ones. They also have a much more interesting toy, so I suggest that you visit their website and see what suits your child. They always come up with sales, so wait for the sale period, because the prices come down to a very reasonable ones, and then you can pick up quite a lot of number out of that. Next pro I would be saying is that they come in bag like these, which is easy to store and easy to save, and you will not miss a toy. So whatever the dinosaur or the duck that I showed you, every toy comes with its own bag, which is again a plus point. So guys, these were the pros, and the cons, I don't think I would see it as anything big, because the fourth toy that you saw, the mechanic one, I was very excited to get it for him, but he on the other hand did not enjoy it that much right now. Maybe when he becomes a little more bigger, then I'm assuming and hoping that he plays with it. So guys, that's about the Shumir toys. I hope you like this video. Do check out their website. This is not sponsored, this has all been bought by me, and I would like you to see they have a lot more things that they are offering you. They also have a very beautiful butterfly, which is like a balancing board for kids. They have some Peppa Play themes, they have a carnival theme, and they have this ninja, balancing ninja. So a lot more toys that's available on Shumir. Do watch their website. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.